Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola device to HONOR Magic5 Lite. First of all, go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in the pop-up at the top. And finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola. When you're finished, click on Receive next to Send at the bottom of HONOR. Also on HONOR, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Tap on Close this window and go back to Motorola. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top, and from them choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you will see Allow button. Click on it. Tap on the switcher next to allow access to manage all files and go back, or after tapping on it, select Allow in the pop-up. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on HONOR. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also just click on Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and click on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!